Motorola has just announced its new flagship phone, the Motorola Edge Plus, and it is a flagship phone that we never saw coming. The Motorola Edge Plus has a Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of UFS 3.0, and a massive 5000 mAh battery. It is mounted by a triple camera system, a 108 MP main camera, 8 MP telecamera, and a 16 MP ultra-wide lens. It has 5G support and has a 6.7-inch display. It has a 90Hz refresh screen and a HDR10 display. It comes in two colors, Thunder Grey and Smoky Skangria. It also has a waterfall display. The 90Hz refresh rate is as smooth as slicing through warm butter. It's the best refresh rate you can ever get in a Motorola phone. It runs on Android 10 and has a 25 megapixel front camera. If you are enjoying the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech content. Moving on, the phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a rarity these days. It has 1 nano SIM card support and up to 18 watts of fast charging. The camera is magnificent. Here are some pictures shot on the Motorola Edge Plus. The edge detection in the front camera is not that great, and the macro lens sucks too. The video stabilization is great as well. You can shoot 4K videos at 60 fps and up to 6K videos at 30 fps. The night mode is better than ever on a Motorola phone. It has dual speakers, which is very loud. The RAM optimization is very great with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. It is the first 5G phone with a 5000 mAh battery. Here is the trailer of the Motorola Edge Plus.
Think you've seen it all? Just getting started. Better play your part. This is what you wanted. Power's in your reach. Show 'em what you got. Yeah, the clock is ticking. This is what the game's been missing. It's a new world. Are you ready for it? This is what the game's been missing. Level up. Level up. This is what the game's been missing.
Hello, Moto.
Coming to the drawbacks of this device, it does not have a dual SIM support and lacks expandable storage. In harsh light exposure condition, the camera sucks. It is priced around €1200. Thanks for watching.